Good, good morning, dears. Today in this class, I'm going to explain about how to use GIMP editing tool. This is for desktop and laptop versions. Those who are using desktop and laptop, for them I'm explaining. Mobile version, I will share you the video. Okay, so let's start the class. You can see here. So in this video, how to open an image in GIMP file and how to crop that image and how to rotate that image, we are going to see that one. So let me explain you children. It is a free and open source graphic editing tool. This is a free and open source graphic editing tool where we can enhance the images whatever we are having. So now I'm going to explain how to open the image in this particular application, in this particular editing tool. Let's start children. So already I had worked with this. Now I'm going to explain how to open a image. So you can see here the file option. Click that file menu. You can see here open whatever images you are having in your system. You can work with that. So let me choose this image. You can see here. So I just opened this particular image. It is loading. You can see here. Now I had inserted this image in our GIMP editing tool. Okay, so you can see here this is our toolbox. Okay, and this is our layer palette. Okay, and here you can find some menus are available here. So first already the particular image is selected, and now you have to select the tool from toolbox, or else you can select the tools from tools. And here transform tool is there. After selecting the tools, you have to select transform tools, and from there you have to select crop option. So once you decided to crop, you have to fix the image. I want till this image I want the picture. Okay, so this is the image or I just crop the particular image, whatever image I want. And now next thing, I'm going to rotate this image. How I'm going to rotate this image? You can see here. You can see here. Again you have to select. Again you have to select. Again you have to select. tools, and from that tools you have to select rotate. Just you can keep it and you can rotate the particular image. Just rotate it. Just rotate it. Whatever angle you want, you can rotate it. So this is how you want to rotate the image map, and you can see here the angle. Okay, center X and center Y, reset and readjust. You can just see. That's all. So you can close this one automatically. You can see here. Okay, that's all. You can see here readjust, rotate. It's rotating. You can see here automatically the picture gets rotated, and yeah. Okay, now like this you can rotate the image. Okay, so this is what children. So, hope you understood what I'm trying to say. If any doubt is there, you can ask your doubts. Let's try by yourself and share your comments, share your feedbacks with me. Thank you, children.